Hi guys. Hey, I am out here at the track, which is unfortunately underwater, surprisingly. Turned 3 and 4, got a lot of water and everything's kind of wet, but I got Wild Willy with me. First run. Yeehaw. The Wheelie machine. Nice. Oh, don't want to do that. Don't want to do it in the mud where I'm going to get traction or the wheelie bar all muddy. Whoa, hello. Take it out of the gravel. Once again, one-handed driving, and this radio really sucks for one-handed driving. It's really bad for that. So has the thumb, I mean, you're right on the tip of your thumb. So, but I'm not going to do any donuts or anything because somebody's out here tearing the gravel up and they're pissing me off. So just run Willy for what he's got. Well, if I can drive it. There again, like I said, just I got to get some kind of GoPro or something I can put on my head, or even attached to the camera or to the radio, some kind of attachment for that. Heck yeah. Man, I love this thing. This is cool. I haven't got any weight in it. The person that sent me this said I might have to put some weight in it, but I don't see any problem with it. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! Too cool. This is one of those that's just kind of been a bucket list kind of car. Always wanted to get. So, hell yeah. Pretty cool, man. Love how it rides wheelies. That is so cool. So cool. I love it, I love it, I love it. Whoa, almost rolled her. Love them big old tires, just the singing. Too cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. Very, very cool. Very cool. Oh man. I like Willy. Free Willy. Pretty cool, guys. I'm really digging it. Really digging it. And then my Willy, I don't know how well you can tell, but painted him up with a little chin strap underneath and the white head sock, and with the American 250 I wanted to do up some kind of red, white, and blue helmet, so that's what I came up with. So pretty neat. Oh, and I don't know if you can tell, stereo, you can see the bright green. That was the idea behind that was Christine, how every time the radio was on it was bright green and, you know, like devilish looking. So that was kind of the Christine thought there. But very cool, guys. Well, I'm going to put Willy away and get to work. I've got a lot of crap I'm trying to get done out here. junk cleaned up, firewood for the campground, and this old PVC that we're not going to use, getting it cut up and stuff like that. So, well, that's a nice wheelie. Cool. All right, guys, well, take care. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.